How to fix Roblox error occurred during purchase. So if you want to fix Roblox error occurred during purchase, then the first thing you need to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, then your purchase might be interrupted with the network connection. And after that, the second thing you need to make sure is your email is up to date. So first you need to open up your Roblox application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the more option, which is on the bottom right, and scroll down, go with settings. Under settings, go with your account info, and here you will have all of the information about your account. And make sure that you verified your email address. If it's not verified, then you just need to simply go and verify your email address. Once you verify the email address, now the other thing you need to make sure is you have a payment method. So just simply tap on payment methods, and under your payment methods, make sure that your payment methods are valid and have sufficient funds available, because sometimes declined payments can trigger these errors. Or the other thing might be with the Roblox itself. You can check if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance issues that could be affecting your ability to make purchases. And additionally, it's crucial to check your internet connection. But if all of this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and log out of your account once. Once you've logged out, again log into your account with the same ID and password, and after that try to purchase something and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your error, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.